How to find the trending products and the trending keywords on the TikTok. The TikTok has given these tools for you. They are free and they are available online for you to use, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the keyword insights from the TikTok, and as well as how can you see that what products are trending in which country. So right now, first of all, we are on to the keyword insight page. Here by default, I don't know why it has selected Saudi Arabia. I'm not there. I'm going to just select United States for the sake of this tutorial, and I'm going to click this, and you can see that the trending keywords that are free shipping, free for learn more, 50% off. So mostly they are related to the buyer's keyword or the triggered words to buy somebody your product. And after the region, you can go on to the industry. So if you are, let's say, selling a particular product, so you can select that category. Let's say I select the appliances and I just click away, and you will see that hair removal, free shipping. Now the keywords have changed. Now after the keyword, it gives the popularity, then the change in popularity, and then you can click these related videos and it will show you that what videos are trending for. So by clicking these related videos, you can see what videos are trending. And if you want to get into the further details of this particular keyword, you can click on to the details. It will open up a new page, and in that page you will see that all the insights for this particular word, that is hair removal in United States, and we have selected the industry appliances, and the time period is last 7 days. And over here you can see that the videos that are trending, and you can go and click on to the each video and see that what products they are selling. So the next thing that you can select is objective. So what is your overall objective? You want more views. Let's say if you will click the video views, so you will see those videos which are getting more views. So in this particular case, there is none. So we are just going to change, for example, lead generation. So now you can see that it has given us different keywords. Similarly, the keyword type, whether it is a selling point, pain point, product, and things like that. So I'm just going to click the product, and you can see that it has given the home water filtration, and then this AVAX system. So if I, let's say, change the industry to, for example, game, and then since it is product, so it is not going to be anything in the game. So I'll just going to change the industry to, let's say, education. I think some products should be there within the education, and yes, there are healthcare, and then high school and training program, and you can see that there are many keywords in this particular category. And for example, if I click onto the video views, and in that case, I don't know why it is not giving us for the video views, and if I click onto the product sales, again it is not giving us. So I am just going to remove the industry, and I'm just going to remove the product also. Somehow this product sales is not working. I'm going to change the time to last 120 days. No, it's not working. So anyways, this keyword tool is interesting. By clicking on this, you can go onto the keyword cloud. So this it is going to show you that the keyword which is most searched. For example, the free shipping, you can see is the larger in font. If I click on that, if I hover on that, you will see that its popularity is 57,000. The popularity change is 80% positive side, and CTR is 1.33, and CVR is 14.57. So in this way, you can find out the keywords for TikTok.